Hi friends, it's Yana here today and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up another Mrs. Quilty subscription box and I'm so excited about it. Let's get into it. Last time I got a Mrs. Quilty box, I loved the fabrics so much and I love the project that came with it, all the projects that came with it. I made the little pillowcase cover with the book holder in it and I thought it was so adorable. I was super excited to get into the second box. Remember, we got both boxes at the same time, but I opened that one first and then I needed to get into this one. So I cannot wait to see what fabrics are in here. Oh, it's so cute. I love, first of all, I am obsessed with the magazine that comes with it because it's full color and it gives you a sneak peek of all the fabrics in the quilting block that you're going to be doing if you are going to be doing a quilting block or anything like that. So it's super cute. Quilt, laugh, love. I love it. Okay. All right, so do we get into the book first or do we just dive right in to see the fabrics? I don't know. We're gonna get into this book first. Mrs. Quilty, I love this. Oh, I love the fact that it's got some cute tips and tricks. Like this one talks about binding and different things, and here it shows you all the stuff, tips and tricks about the corners, finishing touches, tips for pros, pro tips for beginners, and what's inside your box. Ooh, these are so beautiful. Okay, let's get into the box because I gotta. Okay. So here's your Mrs. Quilty. We've got in this cute little bag the cutest seam ripper. Oh my gosh, look at it. It is so adorable. I love it. I can always use a new seam ripper, which is not a good thing, but it is a good thing, right? So this is super cute, a new seam ripper. And y'all, if you are not using clips, you need to be. They send you a few little clips, clear clips, which are super cute. I use clips, so I'm gonna add that to my collection. And I know clips are so great for me when you're putting things together because pins sometimes tend to fall off, but clips do a nice job at keeping it all together. So that's really cool that they send me some clips. But now we're gonna get into the thing that everybody wants to see, the fabrics. Woo! All right, y'all, already starting off with a bang. I think this is adorable. Look at these butterflies, or I don't know if they're just butterflies or insects, but they are so cute, and there's a couple colorways. I love these colors. I love how they're like bold and bright and beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this green leaf. Some solid, well, okay, I call these solids. I know it's not a solid, but I feel like it's just like a background color. Here's another plant. This is like a plant theme, this box. I love that. Oh, I love this pop of color here. It ties in well with all the little colors that come from these, so it all matches nice together. I love that. You know why? Because I have such a hard time being able to match all the quilting fabrics together and come out with like a palette that looks really, really pleasing. So I love that they do that part for you. They all match together and they all look so beautiful. Oh my gosh, this one is like a smaller version of that one. And then this one kind of has like the plants from this one. And here's another floral that matches with these colors. This is such a good palette. Like I love how they just mix it all in and put them all together. I love this so much. So this is the fabric, and we're gonna look and see what projects come with this box this month. So we got the seam ripper fabric, the little magazine seam ripper clips. Here's the quilt block of the month. So it shows you the little block and it gives you instructions on how to make it. Here is a flower coaster pattern, which I think I'm going to be making that one because I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh, the tote. Oh my gosh, the half apron. I don't know what I'm going to make. These are all so cute. I really, really think the coaster was super cute, but I think I'm going to be able to use the bag more often. And I know you're seeing a theme and you're like, wow, didn't you just make a pillow bag thing? Yes, but I like bags. What can I say? So I am between the bag and the coaster. Comment below and let me know what you think I should make. Should I make the bag or should I make the coaster? Which pattern do you think I should make first? And then it gives you all the different instructions, all the different things. And here is the actual project. It shows you how to cut it out. It shows you how to piece it together, and it gives you tips on how to finish it up. It even gives you the pattern pieces. It's a template. So you'll be able to cut out that template and have your pattern pieces to cut out the pieces that are not cut into squares or rectangles. So they're like circle pieces. So they give you all those pattern templates. Here's another one. Here's another one. So I love that. And you can actually, what I would do is I would probably laminate the page first and then cut them out. So you have a laminated pattern piece. That would be so great and so cool. I love that. I think that is so cool. And then we've got a recipe. Quilter's Cozy Apple Pie. That is so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so yummy. I don't know how to cook, but I'm gonna ask my husband. He's the baker around here, so I'm excited about it. But anyway, another thing I found out about Mrs. Quilty box. Now, if you want more information about this box, I did do a video unboxing a little while ago, so you can go check that out with my other box, and he tells you all about all the different deals and all the different things. I do have a code that gets you 20% off on your first box, so I'm going to add that code here, and I'll add it in the information box below. I'll add some more information there if you want to go check them out. But another thing, two things. One thing that I already mentioned and the other one is that they have video tutorials for all these projects. So it's great for beginners if you get lost and you don't know what you're doing, and which is me. And then also another thing that they have that I think it's super cool is that they have some animal patterns. So when you get your magazine and you get all this stuff, you also get a link to some animal patterns, and I'm going to be sewing up an animal pattern next. So I'm super excited about it. Stay tuned. I probably will do like a little video on it. But for now, comment below and let me know, which pattern do you think I should sew up first? Should I go ahead and sew up the placemat that is so stinking adorable? No, not a placemat. This is a coaster. The coaster that is so stinking adorable. I'm gonna have to probably make more than one. Or 1 second while I get to that page. The bag. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Hold on. Where's the picture of the bag? That quilt is so stinking cute. Or the bag. Which one should I make? The coaster or the bag? Which one should I make first? Comment below and let me know what you think. Until then, see you next time. Make sure you check out Mrs. Quilty's subscription box. I think it is adorable. I love that they give you all the fabrics. I hope you love it as much as I do.